China and which country will host the 4th UN Ocean Conference in 2028? The right answer is option B, South Korea. Recently, Vijay Rupani died at the age of 68. He was the former Chief Minister of which state? The right answer is option A, Gujarat. Who inaugurated the first conference on the ministry's best practice at AIIMS Nagpur? The right answer is option B, JP Nadda. What is the name of the new postal service launched by the Department of Posts for educational material delivery? The right answer is option C, Gyan Post. Which organization has released the report titled State and Trends of Carbon Pricing 2025? The right answer is option B, World Bank. Lake Natron that was recently seen in news is located on the border of which two countries? The right answer is option A, Tanzania and Kenya. Recently, who has been named as the Global Ambassador for Esports World Cup 2025? The right answer is option C, Cristiano Ronaldo. Which country joined the BRICS as the partner country? The right answer is option A, Vietnam. On which date World Blood Donor Day 2025 is celebrated? The right answer is option D, 14th of June. Recently, the RBI has approved a 6-month extension to Prashant Kumar tenure as the MD and CEO of which bank? The right answer is option D, S Bank. Recently, the first ever joint military exercise, Tiger Claw, included between the Special Force of the Indian Air Force and which country? The right answer is option B, United States Air Force. On which date is the World Day Against Child Labour observed every year? The right answer is option D, 12th of June. National e-Vidhan application is developed under which ministry? The right answer is option C, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Which organization has released its 2025 State of World Population Report titled The Real Fertility Crisis? The right answer is option A, United Nations Population Fund. Shahid drones are developed by which country? The right answer is option B, Iran. Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple is located in which state? The right answer is option A, Kerala. How many Khel Ratna awards were given in 2025? The right answer is option C, 4. Piyush Chawla has recently retired from sports. He is related to which sport? The right answer is option B, cricket. Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan was launched by which ministry? The right answer is option B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Where was the International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure 2025 held? The right answer is option D, France. World Oceans Day is celebrated on which date? The right answer is option D, 8th of June. Which state government has established the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary? The right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on which river? The right answer is option A, Sutlej. Raman festival is celebrated in which state? The right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Economic Advisory Council to Prime Minister? The right answer is option A, S. Mahendra Dev. Which country recently launched the world's first 6G satellite into orbit? The right answer is option D, China. On which day is World Milk Day celebrated? The right answer is option A, 1st of June. Raigad Fort that was recently seen in news is located in which state? The right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which ministry launched the Bharat Jain Multimodal Large Language Model, that means LLM, at the Bharat Jain Summit? The right answer is option C, Ministry of Science and Technology.